One of the most significant features and benefits of owning an annuity contract is taking advantage of its income options. Owning an annuity contract allows you to have a monthly income you cannot outlive. This type of guaranteed lifetime income is only available through an insurance contract. Lifetime income started as early as the Roman Empire. They paid annual payments to reward those dutiful soldiers and their families for life. Later, during the 17th century, a person could purchase a share in the daunting in exchange for an annual payment. The payment would last for the lifetime of a specific person. Then, during the mid-18th century, a Pennsylvania company created a fund for Presbyterian ministers and their families in exchange for a secured lifetime of payments. Even the baseball legend Babe Ruth benefited from his annuity contracts with a guaranteed lifetime income he could not outlive. By doing so, he weathered the stock market crash, getting his last credited home run, a financial home run. In our day, there's one thing an insurance company does that stocks can't do, bonds can't do, and CDs can't do. An insurance company can offer an annuity, which can guarantee a lifetime income. The Financial Research Corporation, FRC of Boston, said it best. Income annuities improve portfolio outcomes in retirement. Income annuities offer features others can't. High cash flow, uncorrelated to market returns, retirement alpha in the form of mortality credits, which only life insurance companies can manufacture, longevity hedging, and liquidity features. Now let us address why guaranteed lifetime income matters in retirement. Is it not true that throughout our lives, we are taught that a successful retirement is based on assets? Make money and save money to have a big pile of money ready when you retire. It is evident that the more assets we accumulate, the more opportunities we will have in retirement. Success in retirement will depend on two basic but straightforward factors. 1. How much guaranteed lifetime income will you have? And 2. Have you taken the key retirement risks off the table? There are many real risks we must face in retirement, such as market risk, sequence of return risk, withdrawal rate risk, inflation, deflation. You may need home convalescent care or long-term care. In other words, there are many risks to consider. Do you know what the number one risk of retirement is that is not listed here? Longevity risk. Living too long. What matters most in retirement is not outliving your money. Living too long multiplies all the other risks already mentioned. Those who live to 80, 85, 90, or 95 carry that risk of longevity in retirement. Having a guaranteed lifetime income may enable you to increase the returns of your portfolio, lower your overall stress, and allow you to be happier in retirement. Yes, even live longer by merely adding a guaranteed lifetime income offered by an annuity contract. Would it not be of value to have an income you cannot outlive or a guaranteed lifetime income? Are you ready to take longevity risk off your table? Meet with a licensed retirement specialist today who will provide you with the best options to meet your goals.